like, why is this not happening on its own? Like, what's broken about our system? And I think there's a couple of things that have just completely shocked me. So first of all, those 4,000 drugs we have, 80% of them are generic, which means that once a drug becomes generic, anyone can make a copy of that drug, the exact same drug, it's the same name. And when you have 10 people making the exact same drug, the price plummets, which is good for our healthcare system. It's now a cheap drug.
Yeah.
But now it's like a penny a pill of profit per sale. And there's 10 different companies all selling what one company used to sell. So you might find that that drug could work for 1 million people with another disease, and no one will make any money off of that. And like the depressing thing is that that shouldn't matter. Like, because these are sick people and these are drugs, but it does matter. It's not that people are hiding. It's just that, like, if you can't make any money off this thing, you can't spend millions of dollars doing clinical trials and then actually raising awareness about it. So like somehow 80% of the drugs we have, there's no incentive to find a new use for them at all. Like, even though they're there and they're safe and we know how they work and we know everything about them, and they're the things that are perfect for a knowledge graph because we got a lot of knowledge about them. But, and of course, everyone's using AI to find new uses for medicines, but no one's using AI to find new uses for old medicines. And so that financial problem is huge.
So real quick, before you move on to the next one, what's the solution for that one?
So we feel that the solution is to create a nonprofit that doesn't have to be driven by profit. So we've got this financial problem, which is that, you know, it's not profitable to find a new use for an old medicine. And then on top of that, we have an issue that somehow no entity has taken responsibility to be like, hey, like, I know that there's this like market problem over here, but like, we're the NIH or the FDA or we're some entity, we're just going to do this. Like, we're just going to find new uses for medicines. And so there's just been this like huge gap. And then to your point earlier, there's also never really been the technological capability to really do this at scale. So maybe we can't blame the system too much because like it's only recent that the system could even address this. But when you bring those three things together, we have this horrible situation where there's all these drugs that could help people, all these people that are suffering, and no one doing the work to bring them together.
Wow.
But you're here now.
Thank God.
Until every cure.